sure the library has that series. I passed
April 23rd. It's Tuesday. The kids have a snow day. Yay! In April. They had a snow day last Friday too. We had about this much snow last Friday. Come on, dogs. Walk around. Lazy butts. Shorty and the puppies. I got like 8 inches or something. Maybe a little more. How much snow do you think we got?
I hit 3 of them.
Autumn, you're mean. The field. Where's Thunder?
Thunder!
Thunder! There he is. Han and Leia. There comes Luke. There's Bisgay. That's no sticking to them because it's heavy and wet. Here's Spike. Spikers. Thunder, get over here!
Thunder!
At least it's not super windy today. Thunderbutt. Already enjoying a roll in the snow.